How to fix SIM card no service issues on Android. Is your Android phone showing no service or no SIM card detected? Don't worry. I am Rose and in this video I'll show you how to fix it. Without further ado, let's get started. First, simply turn off your phone. Hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart. Then you need to wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This can refresh the network connection and fix minor glitches. Now you can enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe down to open the quick setting panel. Now tap on airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds. Then disable airplane mode and now check if your network is back. If this didn't work, you can easily reinsert your SIM card. Turn off your phone, remove the SIM card and check for any dust or damage. Then reinsert it properly and turn your back or phone back on. Now you need to simply check your network setting. For that, you need to head towards the settings. Now you need to scroll down. Look for the options of mobile network. Then you need to simply tap the network operators and select choose automatically and make sure mobile data is turned on by toggling on the button. Afterwards, you need to be on settings, tap search bar, type in reset and list of reset will open or get accessed. Choose reset network setting and tap the first option of reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Afterwards, you need to verify your identity and then tap reset network setting to confirm and restart your phone. If none of this step works, check if your SIM card is active or try using it in another phone. If the SIM works in another phone, your device may have a hardware issues. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.